Hi, I'm Alberto Barili, Application Engineer at RKB Bearing Industries. In today's presentation, I'm going to show you the main features of our 4-row cylindrical roller bearings, AF2D class, which are mainly used in rolling mill stands. As you can see, the AF2D design dates back to 2013, and after many improvements and optimizations, it has now achieved a very high level of reliability. To obtain these results, our departments of R&D, engineering, and production have been working shoulder to shoulder for years. The AF2D multi-roll bearings are available in different versions to meet our customers' needs. The inner ring comes in 1 or 2 pieces and can be provided with cylindrical or tapered bore, while the 2 double-pronged machined steel cages, guidon rollers, can be made from 5 different materials. The default design of AF2D includes the first outer ring, where the first cage roller assembly is mounted, the inner ring in 1 or 2 pieces, and the second outer ring with the second cage roller assembly. We highly recommend using AF2D class bearings mainly in 3 cases. First, when you need an easy installation of the bearing and the separable inner ring can help you out. Second, if the assembly of the rolling stand relies on automated devices for roll changing. Third, when a long bearing life is required. Here are a couple of examples of applications where our AF2D bearings were mounted. As already mentioned, the AF2D bearings are very often installed with the help of robots. This kind of installation is characterized by lack of precision, which is very often the cause of premature bearing failure. Here you can see how a robot for roll changing works. The bearing outer assembly, mounted in the choke, moves axially, from left to right, toward the roll. The bearing inner ring is fitted on the roll. Theoretically, this process seems to be trouble-free, since there is enough bearing residual radial internal clearance. However, this is how the robot works in reality. The assembly shows very evident errors of alignment and offset due to the pure accuracy of the robot. This generates impacts or interference between the parts while assembling. The most common damages resulting from this kind of robot-assisted assembly affect rollers, cage tenons, and the inner ring raceway, as it is evident from these pictures. To eliminate all these troubles, in 2013, RKB introduced the AF2D class bearings, which put together all the best findings in terms of manufacturing technology, design, and on-field experience. Let's start from the manufacturing technology, which involves 3 main areas, the first of which is bearing microgeometry. The top-level fine grinding and super finishing of the rolling surfaces of ring raceways and rollers results in a remarkable improvement of the stress edge effect with a pressure peak reduction. The second area of improvement relates to the quality inspection of the bearing components, which is performed with the help of special tools such as the coordinate measuring machines to ensure the highest level of accuracy. The third area regards the use of the best raw materials available. RKB uses only top-quality bearing steels with the BiNATiC microstructure that offer better resistance to shocks, wear, and fatigue. Here you can see in details the main advantages that the AF2D design gives to the cages in green color and to the rollers in blue color. This is an example of the datasheet coming with all RKB AF2D bearings. We call it Bearing Technical Fiche, and it provides the main technical details of the product. Over time, the RKB AF2D design has become a standard for many steel rolling mill manufacturers. Thanks to a remarkable increase in bearing life and a reduction in bearing assembly failures, the use of AF2D bearings allows for a sharp drop in the total cost of ownership. In addition, the AF2D bearings reported excellent results also in the high-speed rolling mills, both section and rod. With an adequate lubrication system and a correct assembly of the bearing, linear speed of 16.5 meters per second of the rolled product were even reached. As you can see, AF2D is not the only design available for multi-row cylindrical roller bearings. Each of the above designs is studied to meet specific application requirements. This table is an excerpt of our selection guide for multi-roll bearings that shows the pros and cons of every design and version. In conclusion, here are the three main benefits of AF2D. Firstly, they are nearly universal bearings that can be used on most types of stands under different working conditions. Secondly, they offer an extremely long service life due to their technological features. And finally, they are a blockbuster for RKB and can help customers increase their efficiency while reducing TCO. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please contact your RKB technical or salesperson or your RKB authorized partner. Bye!